Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the brand Medline. This is called Skintegrity. It's a wound cleanser. Gently cleanses wounds, features non-toxic surfactant, and it's a very good product. It is 16 fluid ounces is the size that I'm reviewing right here. It has a sprayer that I always mark the off position, but it has a mist, direct mist spray, and more of a direct line spray that puts out a little more pressure. It is rated, they give the PSI on here. It is PSI of 8.6 coming out of this nozzle at about 3 inches away, just so you know the pressure. And it falls into this category of AHCPR. It is certified by AHCPR. And you could use it on any type of wound that's infected or even non-infected wounds. Either one it'll work on. It's very gentle, but yet it'll remove proteins and debris that's on the wound. As I was mentioning, the spray, you can have a mist or a stream, depending on what you want to put pressure on the wound or not, how much pressure you need to clean out the debris that's in the wound. Now, I use this on my diabetic foot ulcer, but you could use it on any wound that you have if you want to clean that wound. You could have a scratch in your skin. This will work fine for that. It's gentle, but yet it's effective for cleaning wounds, which is really nice. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope this video helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.